Hello friends, welcome to Excel in Career. In this tutorial, we are going to learn multiple linear regression. So you can watch my previous video on simple linear regression so you get a better idea of that. So in simple linear regression, there is only one independent variable. That is, we have taken the example of to find the salary of a person. Uh, we are having an independent variable that is years of numbers of years, and we have to predict what is the salary. So here there is only one independent variable and we have to predict the value. So in multiple linear regression there is more than one independent variable and we have to predict the value. So in multiple linear regression there is a same for all. That is, firstly we have to import the data set, and after that we have to done the data pre-processing part. So you can watch my previous video of data pre-processing, that how to handle missing data, how to encode the data, how feature scaling is used. So you can watch my previous video if you have any difficulty in that. So here for the multiple linear regression, the same part, that is firstly we import all the libraries, then we import the data set what we have, and then we convert, then all the pre-processing part is done, and after that we have to, and for the data frame we have to split into x and y, for the numpy arrays, that is x is of independent variable and y is of dependent variable, that is y is the value. For example, house prediction price, you get a data set in kaggle.com, so you can find that what is the price of the house. So x be the data, x be the numpy array of all the features, and y be the what is the value of that. And from that, after that we have to split the data into train set and test set, and you can take any size, that is test size 0.2, 0.3, and you can check your model how your model works. So after that we have to import same, that is from sklearn dot linear model import linear regression, and then we call the class linear regression and we fit xtrain and ytrain. So this is the same, that is linear, this is in linear, how simple linear regression and multiple linear regression, this is for the same. So I think you understand that how we build the model, and after that we predict the model. So after that we predict the value y predict, and we will plot the scatter between y test and y predict. So you understand that what is the difference between that, how accuracy your model is. So in next tutorial we will see about the polynomial regression, and after that I will take an example of a house prediction price, so you will get a better idea about how the exactly will be done, how the data pre-processing data cleaning part is done, and after that how to import all the libraries, when to use which algorithm, and I will tell you in detail. Firstly I will cover all the algorithm, that is after that we will see polynomial regression and decision tree, random forest. So after that you will understand which use when, for which type of algorithm, uh, you will see which algorithm is the best for which type of problem. So I think you understand. So we will see in the next video polynomial regression.